12 sum supposed to be homework. We'll discuss and proceed, no problem. Okay, what is sum assured? 1.95 lakhs, nothing but policy amount is given. Turnover for the year ended kuduthirukkom. This is your financial year turnover. Turnover from 1st March to 28th February is given to us. When the fire accident took place? When the fire accident took place? 1/3/2007 kuduthirukkom. 1/3/2007 is given. 17, okay. So period of interruption is how many months? How many months?
5 months.
5 months period of interruption. Accounting year, calendar year, net profit is given. Increase in cost of working is, so that is 0.15 lakhs. What is this 5.25 lakhs?
So according to
That is your accounting year turnover. Turnover from 1st March to 28th February is given. 12 months preceding the date of fire. This is which turnover? Annual turnover is given. Turnover from 1st March 2016 to 31st July 2016 is
standard
given.
turnover.
Yes, standard turnover. Corresponding period in the last year, standard turnover. Then what is given to us? Actual turnover is given to us. Actual turnover is given to us. Sales was even throughout the year kuduthirukka. Then standing charges, how much is given?
1.5.
1.5 lakhs. Any details about uninsured, insured standing charges?
No, no.
If no such detail is given, we can assume that all the standing charges are what? Insured. So this is question number. Let us do it together if you have not done it. Okay, step 1. What is step 1?
Loss of profit.
Loss of profit. First, we have to see the standard turnover. That is from which date to which date you have to consider?
1/3/2016 to
This one, 1/3/2016 to 31st July 2017. Do it along with me. 31/7/2016. எவ்வளவு இருக்கு standard turnover?
1,27,500.
1,27,500 less actual sales. From 1/3/2017 to 31st July 2017. எவ்வளவு இருக்கு actual sales?
60,000.
No trend கொடுத்துட்டோம். So difference will give us what? Short sales. GP ratio, net profit plus insured standing charges divided by sales of the last year into 100. What is the net profit given? 60,000 plus insured standing charges 1,50,000 divided by what is the sales of the last year? Sales of the last year, accounting year, 5.25 lakhs. 5,25,000 into 100. எவ்வளவு percentage வரும்? So short sales we know, GP ratio we know, multiply பண்ணா loss of profit. 67,500 into எவ்வளவு percentage? 40%. 67,500 into 40%. 27,000. 27,000. This is step 1. Claim for which one? Loss of profit. No clause for trend is given. Our trend we cannot work out based on the information. Next one. What is next one? Step 2. Claim for
Additional expense.
additional expenses. A actual increased cost. What is additional expenses given actual? 15,000. Be the proportionate. I hope the same thing will come. Net profit plus insured standing charges divided by net profit plus what? All standing charges.
So saved turnover.
Okay. Saved turnover into GP ratio. If save turnover is not given, you can take actual sales. What is actual sales during the affected period? 60,000 into eவ்வளவு percentage? 40%. You will get 24,000. See, insurable value, that is GP on annual turnover, plus insured standing charges divided by plus all standing charges into increased cost of working. Same answer the one, because there is no uninsured standing charges given. There is no uninsured standing charges given. So insured standing charges is equal to what? All standing charges. Rendu proportion adhe dhaan varum. So 15,000 varum. Whichever is less, 15,000. So actual expenses can be claimed. So whatever is actual additional expenses can be claimed. Gross claim. Gross claim, nothing but what is step 1? Loss of profit.
27,000.
Step 2, what is the increased cost of working? 15,000. Less the savings in standing charges kududirukana. Any savings in fixed expenses? No. This is your gross claim, or you can say total loss. Total loss, otherwise called as what? Gross claim, how much? 42,000. Point number C, same answer the varum, 15,000 the varum. What is the reason? We don't have any uninsured standing charges. You have to check whether average class is applicable. You have to check GP on insurable value. What is insurable value? GP on annual turnover. Annual turnover. What is the annual turnover given? The 12 months period kana turnover. The 5.85 lakhs.
5.
Into yellow percentage?
40%.
What is GP on annual turnover?
2,34,000.
What is the policy value given?
1,95,000.
Which is less than, or you can say policy value. Policy value is less than your GP on annual turnover. What is the policy value? 1 lakh?
1,05,000.
Lakh 90?
1,95,000.
So since the policy value is less than the GP on annual turnover, we have to apply which one? Average class.
So the formula claim average class, but now when answer mentioning claim down.
Claim the mention. By applying average class, we work out claim all. Claim is equal to how to work out?
Policy amount.
Policy amount 1,95,000 divided by insurable value. What is insurable value? 2,34,000 into
12,000.
42,000. Policy value divided by insurable value into the total loss. 42,000 pota. What is the claim? 35,000. Question number 13 I will cover along with loss of stock with loss of profit policy. We'll go to question number 14.
35,000 minus ஆகும் சார்.
அதான் claim minus ஆகாது. What is the policy you have taken? 1,95,000 எடுத்திருக்கோம். Since the policy is not covering the full GP, okay, நம்ம loss எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? இந்த 42,000 you can claim with insurance company 35,000 அவ்வளவுதான்.
இது claim பண்ணும்போது அப்ப அந்த பாலிசி ஓவர் ஆயிடும். சரி அந்த பாலிசி எப்படி
Policy அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும். We can claim up to what? 1,95,000. It is like, for example, you have taken a health insurance policy or 5 lakhs policy எடுத்திருக்கோம். You are not well for about 5 days. அதுக்கு ஒரு 1 lakh spend பண்ணிருக்கோம். So insurance is claimed. Again after 2 weeks you are not well for 1 week na. Again you can claim up to what? 5 lakhs.
So it won't reduce sir. அதே 5 lakh எப்படி இருக்கும் சார்? Up to 5 lakh வரைக்கும் நம்ம எடுப்போம்.
ஆமா ஆமா. அது அப்படினது general insurance
1,99,35 minus
5 lakhs அப்படியே ஆகாது. இப்போ பாலிசி அமௌண்ட்ல வந்து நீங்க எதுக்கு பாலிசி அமௌண்ட்க்கு claim சம்பந்தமே இல்ல. 1,95,000 இப்போ எவ்வளவு claim பண்ணிருக்கோம்? 35,000. ஃபியூச்சர்ல இன்னும் பேலன்ஸ் இருக்குது, ஏதாவது லாஸ் இருந்தா claim பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
அதான் அந்த பேலன்ஸ்
பாலிசி வேல்யூ சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது. பாலிசி வேல்யூ 1,95,000 தான்.
ஓகே
கிளைம் தான் நீங்க எவ்வளவு அது கிளைம் cannot exceed what பாலிசி வேல்யூ. கிளைம் பண்றதுனால பாலிசி வேல்யூ அட்ஜஸ்ட் ஆகாது. Thirteenth question I will do along with the loss of stock with the loss of profit and the money. Go to 14th question. Four months covered by loss of policy for how much? 1,25,000. Sales 1 lakh was obtained, out of which 40,000 was sale received from another premise. I had a rent of how much? 1,000 per month. Why this information is given? What is this 1 lakh? Actual expense. This is actual turnover on the 1 lakh. The 40,000 is the sales because of the additional expense. 40,000 is the sales because of what? Additional expenses. We call it as saved turnover. The same thing. Then, however, there was a savings in insured standing charges. How much? 6,000 per annum. Be careful. Words are given per month sometimes, per annum sometimes. Then, the same period in the last year, the turnover was how much? 3 lakhs. There is a trend of how much? 10% கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Sales for the 12 months preceding the rate of 500 what 10 lakhs. That is annual turnover. This is last year sales, last year net profit, last year standing charges. Out of that, how much is uninsured?
20,000 sir.
20,000 is uninsured. Calculate the claim value. Read the question once again, then we'll solve.
Sir, the 40,000 per month.
Read it once again, you will understand. 1 lakh on the actual sales. Adula the 40,000 sales was received because of what? You are spending extra money to a temporary base premises.
Per month 12 பண்ணும்போது 4 months.
4 months ku தான். On the dislocation period la fire occurred, godown was destroyed. Will you move to the temporary premises permanently or only for the dislocated period? Only for the dislocated period. Additional expenses will be 1,000 into 4.
1 lakhல வந்து 40,000 தானே சார்? 1 lakhல இருந்து தானே சார் 40,000?
ஆமா ஆமா. இல்ல 1,40,000 இல்ல. That 1 lakh includes out of which அப்படின்னு கொடுத்திருக்கான். What do you mean by out of which?
1 lakhல உள்ள
Affected periodல what is your sales?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. In that sales 40,000 came because of which one? That additional expenses.
60,000 தானே சார் actually?
இல்ல actual sales 1 lakh. Actual sales 1 lakh. அதுல அந்த 40,000 வந்தது because of which one? Additional expenses. Always actual sales will include what? Saved turnover. முன்னாடி படத்துல எல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா actual sales for the period 5 lakhs கொடுத்திருப்பான். In the turnover achieved because of the additional expenses கொடுத்திருப்பான். So which means actual sales includes what? Additional sales achieved because of the increased cost of work. We'll see. Start step 1. This is question number
14.
13 I will do after along with loss of stock come loss of profit and the madri. Question number 14. Step 1. Loss of profit. Loss of profit. Standard turnover. What is the standard turnover of the dislocated period in the last year?
3 lakh.
3 lakhs. Add trend. Trend develop percentage?
10%.
10 develop percentage?
10%.
10%. Trend எவ்வளவு வரும்? 30,000 add பண்ணா 3,30,000. Less actual sales. What is actual sales? 1 lakh. Less பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get which one? Short sales. What is the short sales? 2,30,000. 2,30,000 is the short sales. So GP ratio we need to work out. Net profit plus insured standing charges divided by sales of the last year into 100. What is the net profit? Plus insured standing charges, you take it. On the 1 lakh, 20,000 and uninsured கொடுத்திருக்கான். It will be 80,000. Divided by what is the sales of the last year? Into 100. எவ்வளவு percentage வந்துச்சு? 20%. Loss of profit will be this 2,30,000 into 20%. This is step 1. Claim for which one? Loss of profit.
GP ratio increased in the
GP ல ட்ரெண்ட் கொடுக்கலையே, சேல்ஸ்ல மட்டும் தான் ட்ரெண்ட் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். அதை அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணியாச்சு ஆல்ரெடி. They have not given increase in GP rate அந்த மாதிரி எதுவுமே கொடுக்கலையே. Step 2. Claim for additional expenses. What is the actual additional expenses? 1,000 for the dislocated period. 1,000 into 4 months. 4,000 varum. Saved turnover into GP ratio. Saved turnover means turnover achieved because of the additional rent paid. 40,000 into what percentage GP ratio? 20%, 8,000 varum. Then this part. Net profit plus insurable value. What is insurable value? What is the last 12 months turnover? 10 lakhs. Yeah. Trend develop percentage? 10%. So insurable value will be insurable value 10 lakhs plus 10%, 1 lakh varum. So 11 lakhs into develop percentage. What is the GP ratio?
20%.
20% will be 2,20,000. 10 lakhs is the annual sales. What is the growth? 10%. So 11 lakhs இருக்கும் into 20%, 2,20,000. Now let us work out insurable value. 2,20,000 divided by 2,20,000 plus insured standing charges. Plus insured standing charges எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? What is insured standing charges?
80,000.
80,000 divided by 2,20,000 plus
1 lakh.
all standing charges. 1 lakh into increased cost of working. Net profit plus insured standing charges divided by insurable value plus all standing charges. 1 lakh. Reporter, what is the answer? 37. So whichever is less can be claimed. Whichever is less can be claimed. So 3750 can be claimed.
ப்ராக்டிக்கல் எப்படின்னா இன்சூரல் வேல்யூ விட பாலிசி கம்மியாக தான் இருக்குமா சார் என்ன அமௌண்ட்
இருக்கலாம். டிபெண்ட்ஸ். கொஸ்டின்ல எப்பவுமே கம்மியாக தான் இருக்கும். அப்போ ஆவரேஜ் கிளாஸ் அப்ளை பண்ணும். ஸ்டெப் 1, லாஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ராஃபிட். லாஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ராஃபிட், வாட் இஸ் லாஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ராஃபிட்? ஸ்டெப் 1, 46,000. Step 2, claim for additional expenses. What is the claim for additional expenses? 3750. Less savings in fixed expenses. Look at the savings. Is it given monthly or annual? Look at the words used. என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கான்? Savings in standing charges is 6,000 per annum கொடுத்திருக்கான். So you have to work out for the 4 months. 6,000 into 4 by 12. Now affected period is only 4 months. So this will give us gross claim amount. Insurable value trend இருக்கு இல்லையா? What is it? 12 months turnover 10 lakhs. There is a trend of how much? 10% is expected for the current year கொடுத்திருக்கோம். So insurable value always you have to take adjusted annual turnover. Step 4, what is policy value? What is the policy value? 1,25,000, which is less than insurable value. Insurable value work பண்ணணும் 11 lakh into 20%. It's nothing but the adjusted turnover into எவ்வளவு percentage போடும்? 20%. So since policy value is less than insurable value, we have to apply the average class. So what is the policy value? Divided by what is the insurable value? 2,20,000 into 100 or sorry, into total loss. Into what is the total loss? 1,25,000 by 2,20,000 into 47. Sir. Shall we? Now we are going for a new learning now. It will just take 2 minutes of time. Now you know whether the insurance policy covers only loss of profit. It covers which one?
Loss of stock.
No. அது வேற. Loss of profit policy, only loss of profit is included. We claim for which one? Additional expenses. Additional expenses refers to fixed expenses or variable expenses? Fixed expenses. So, when you take insurance policy, when you take insurance policy, you should ensure that you are covering net profit plus what? Fixed expenses. Net profit plus what? Fixed expenses, you take insurance policy. Otherwise, insurance policy should cover the gross profit. Insurance policy should cover what? The gross profit. Insurance policy should cover which one? The gross profit. Okay. Next. Start. Determination of. Take it up. It's a new topic that we are learning. The same. Determination of amount of policy to be taken. Amount of policy to be taken. I left one problem in the last class. I said I will do it in this class and so on. Determination of amount of policy means amount of loss of profit policy. Okay. First, determine anticipated sales, anticipated gross profit. For the next year, what is going to be my gross profit that you consider? Okay, next year என்னோட gross profit எவ்வளவு இருக்குங்கிறத first நீங்க consider பண்ணுங்க. Second, provide for increase in fixed expenses if any. Provide for increase in fixed expenses if any. Trend in sales, gross profit and cost also will be considered. Trend in sales, gross profit and which one? Cost also will be considered. We are working out based on actuals or based on estimates? Based on estimates. So work out the anticipated gross profit. While doing that, ensure that you are providing for trend in sales. There is a growth in sales. There is a growth in gross profit. Or there is an increase in cost. Everything you provide and take it. And suppose if there is any increase in fixed expenses, that also what you consider while taking which one? Loss of profit policy. We'll see a problem so that you will understand better. Conceptually, as of now, you know, okay, your gross profit, your policy should cover which one? Anticipated gross profit. And increase in fixed expense also it should cover. Which problem we left out? Question number 10. 13 அது அப்புறமா போடுறேன்னு சொல்லிருக்கு அதுக்கு முன்னாடி determination of amount of policy ஒரு last classல omit பண்ணா question number 10 we have not done it. Read the question number 10. Or we are going to borrow money. Borrow, take. So the turnover during the current year is expected to increase by எவ்வளவு percentage? 20%. They will avail OD facilities to the bank at 15% கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Average OD balance will be how much? 3 lakhs, which means you have to pay additional interest. 3 lakhs OD இருக்கும் daily. 3 lakhs into எவ்வளவு percentage? 15%. Now what is the interest you have to pay? 45,000 you have to pay. It's an additional fixed expense. It's an additional fixed expense that you have to consider. Then the following data is available from last year. salary, rent, travel expenses, postage, telegram, director's fees, audit fees is given. Total variable expenses are given. Miscellaneous incomes are given. Then what is given? Net profit is given to us. So what is missing in this question? What is missing in the question? Sales is missing in the question. Sales is missing in the question. You can prepare an account and work out. A trading P&L account, you can prepare and work out. Shall we start? Question number 10. What is missing?
Sales.
Start. To find the sales. Okay, we prepare which account? It's a combined trading profit and loss account. All other details are given to us. What are the details given to us? To variable expenses. Variable expense எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்கோம்? Do it along with me. 24 lakhs. Fixed expense கொடுத்தது என்னென்ன கொடுத்திருக்கோம்?
Salaries.
Fixed expenses. அது எல்லாத்தையும் எப்படி ஆட் பண்ணுங்க? Salary எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்கோம்? 3,30,000 plus வேற என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கோம் பாருங்க. Rent 30,000 plus traveling expenses 50,000 plus postage and telegrams 60,000, director's fees 10,000, director's fees 10,000, audit fees 20,000. வேற ஏதாவது இருக்கா? Fixed expenses add பண்ணுங்க. 5 lakhs. Then by miscellaneous income கொடுத்திருக்கோம். By miscellaneous income how much is given?
70,000.
70,000 now. 70,000. To net profit is also given. What is the net profit given? 4,20,000. We recorded everything. The tally panna by sales, you will get it as what? A balancing figure. This is a sales of which year? Current year or last year? Last year. $32,50,000. The policy should cover gross profit. Net profit plus fixed expenses. Net profit plus fixed expenses. Listen, there are two methods of working. Let me explain. What is the net profit given to us? 4,20,000. Is it purely from business? There is a miscellaneous income of how much? 70,000. So what is the net profit from business? 4,20,000 minus 70,000 put in over the 3,50,000. Add fixed expenses. Fixed expense fixed expenses 5 lakhs. Add panna enna varum? 8,50,000. Wait, panna. This is your thing. Add, listen, add, with this we have to add increase in trend. Increase in trend or increase in profit due to increase in sales. You know, variable cost will change according to what? Sales. Yeah. So what is the turnover? Say increase in turnover? 20%, and the profit also will go up by 20%. It's not net profit. 20%. 1,70,000. Add pannunga. 8,50,000 plus 1,70,000. How much you get? 10,20,000. Add additional fixed cost. Additional fixed cost and the interest on OD. Interest on OD. OD எவ்வளவு எடுக்க போறோம்? 3 lakhs into எவ்வளவு percentage?
15%.
15%. We have to take 45,000. So you will take 10,20,000 plus 45,000. How much you will take? 10,65,000. This is one approach of working. Listen, what is the net profit from business? 3,50,000. Fixed expense add pandrom. Policy will cover net profit plus insured standing charges. 8,50,000. Due to increase in sales, your profit will go up by how much percentage? 20%. So 10,20,000. Additional OD எவ்வளவு எடுக்கணும்? Interest 45,000 should cover. So policy should be taken for what? 10,65,000. Sir, the புரியலன்னு சொன்னா another approach is sales minus variable cost. Sales minus variable cost will cover what? Net profit plus fixed cost. Sales minus variable cost will cover which one? Net profit plus fixed cost. How? Sales minus variable cost போட்டா balance portion இருக்கும் இல்லையா? That balance portion will be sufficient to recover your fixed cost and which one? Balance will go to which one? Net profit. So we can go by this method also. Sales minus variable cost போடுங்களேன். Current year sales எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 32,50,000 minus 24 lakhs. 32,50,000 minus 24 lakhs. போட்டு என்ன வருது? 8,50,000. Direct அது வந்து. Okay. Then add எவ்வளவு percentage trend? Increase in sales will happen because of that increase in profit will happen. இதுல எவ்வளவு percent increase ஆகும்? 20% increase ஆகும். Then OD cost how much you have to add? 45,000 you have to add. So what is the total policy to be taken? 10,65,000. Either of the approach you can work out, you will get the same answer. First approach is listen. What is the net profit from business? 3,50,000. Fixed expenses 5 lakhs. Add panna, less panna, add panna எவ்வளவு வருது? What is the policy to cover? If there is no trend, sales increase ஆகல சார், current year sales தான் next year இருக்க போகுதுன்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? 8,50,000 எடுத்தா போதும். Is there a change in sales?
Yes.
Because of that, whether change in profit will happen? Yes. எவ்வளவு percentage? 20%. 10,20,000. Is there any additional fixed expense you are going to incur? Yes, 15,000 too. So this is a policy value. That is loss of policy, profit policy to be taken. Loss of profit policy to be taken. In insurance policy, ensure that you are taking for what? 10,65,000. The other method of working is sales minus variable cost quota. It will cover what? Net profit plus fixed expenses. Since sales goes up by 20%, your contribution will go up by how much percentage? 20%. Additional fixed expense cover pannu. So the policy to be taken is what? 10,65,000. Either of the method you can take. You may have a doubt here. Sir, sales on a 20% increase, are they profit add பண்றீங்கன்னா? For example, let us assume there are 30 students studying. Each students are paying 30,000 fees. What is the fee? What is the revenue? 9 lakhs. Let's assume the faculties are paid 50% of the fees. அப்ப எவ்வளவு வரும்? 4,50,000. What is your contribution after this one? 4,50,000. Suppose if this goes up by 10%, if this goes up by, just an example I am telling you. Suppose if this goes up by 10%, என்ன வரும்? Sir, அங்கே வரும். 9,90,000 ஆகும். So this will be 50%. 50% என்ன இருக்கும்? 4,95,000 ஆகும். 4,95,000 ஆகும். So your contribution will become 4,95,000. You can see your contribution 4,50,000 to 4,95,000 increase ஆகும். This also goes up by 10%. Revenue goes up by 10%. Automatically, the contribution will go up by what? 10%. எது?
இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் மட்டும் தான் எடுத்துக்கணும் சார். அடிஷனல்
நீங்க லோன் வாங்கினா எது காஸ்ட்? லோன் காஸ்டா இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் காஸ்டா? எப்படி காஸ்ட்? லோன் வாங்கினா காஸ்டா? எங்கிட்ட 1 லட்சம் லோன் வாங்குறீங்க,
ஃபியூச்சர்ல
எது எக்ஸ்பென்ஸ்?
இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்.
லோன் வந்து காஸ்ட் கிடையாது. லோன் இஸ் லைபிலிட்டி தானே, அதுக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் பே பண்ண தானே காஸ்ட். மிஸ்லினியஸ் இன்கம் இல்லைன்னா அந்த டைரக்டா அந்த 4,20,000 எடுத்திருப்போம். மிஸ்லினியஸ் இன்கம் இன்ஷூர் பண்ண முடியாது, பிசினஸ் ப்ராஃபிட் தான் இன்ஷூர் பண்ண முடியும். உங்களோட டெக்ஸ்ட் புக்ல இந்த மெத்தட் போட்டிருப்பான். உங்களோட டெக்ஸ்ட் புக்ல செகண்ட் மெத்தட் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த மெத்தட் தான் போட்டிருப்பான். ஜஸ்ட் டு டெல் தட் Okay, and the formula apply பண்றோம் இல்லையா, net profit plus insured standing charges. Net profit is 10 lakh 20, additional insured standing charges to be covered, so 10 lakh 65,000 cover பண்ணு. Or the 10th question over. Any doubt in it? இந்த மாதிரி வந்து ஷார்ட் ஆன்சர்ல கேட்பேன், like 4 marks 5 marks இந்த மாதிரி insurance policy to be taken. So ஈஸியா இருந்தாலும் but we should know the concept இல்லையா. Next question number 15 பாருங்களேன். Loss of profit policy was taken for how much? 80,000. A fire occurred on 15th March 2017. Indemnity period was how many months? 3 months. Net profit for the last year is how much? 56,000. Standing charges all insured amounted to how much? 49,000. Determine the amount of claim கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Quarterly sales information is given to us. 2014, 15, 16 information is available. Any idea of trend? எவ்வளவு percentage trend வந்துச்சா பாத்தீங்களா? How to calculate trend? Simple. Compare 2014 with 15. Total sales of 2014 எடுத்துங்க, total sales of 2015 எடுத்துங்க. See the trend, see the growth. அதே மாதிரி 15 to 16 see the growth. 16 to 17 வேணாம். Why? There is a fire occurred. There is a fire occurred. அப்ப அந்த trend maintain ஆகாது. 10 and 11. We'll see. I do not know the answer. We'll see. ட்ரை பண்ணுங்கப்பா. There is some more information that is missing in the question. The எடுத்து டைப் பண்ணும்போது ஒரு information மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. That I will give it to you. But ட்ரெண்டுக்கு there is no relationship. Question number 15. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the total sales of 2014. 2014, 2015 and 2016.
It's
What is the total sales of 2014?
4,36,000.
4,36,000. 4,36,000. Then second year, 4,80,000. 5,28,000. So what is the growth in sales or increase in sales? What is increase in sales? 44,000 increase ஆயிருக்கு first year to second year. Second year to third year increase in sales பாருங்க எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 48,000 increase ஆயிருக்கு. Now to work out percentage of growth. Percentage of growth is nothing but 44,000 out of divided by what? Divided by என்ன எடுத்துப்பீங்க? 4,36,000 into 100. 4,36,000 plus 44,000 increase ஆயிருக்கு. அப்போ work பண்ணும்போது 44,000 divided by 4,36,000 into 100. Approximately 10%. 10%. Second year எடுத்துக்கும் போது அதே மாதிரி தான் information. How to take it? 48,000 out of 4,80,000 into 100. அதுவும் எவ்வளவு percentage வரும்? 10% வரும். So we can round it off. Average growth in sales எவ்வளவு percentage? 10%. 10%. இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்துல ஒரு information is they forgot to give. Please take it as other information. Before taking up the solution, I request to take up this information as part of the problem that is missing. Other information. Okay. Sales from the information miss பண்ணிட்டாங்க. 16/3/2016. எப்போ fire broke out?
15 March 2000.
16/3/2016 to 31st March 2016. This is required in the standard turnover.
Yes, sir. 31 3 months தான் சார் indemnity.
Indemnity period 3 months. Indemnity period
15th March
3 months.
அப்போ மே வரைக்கும்
15th March
ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்களேன். இந்த டேட்டா தான் அவைலபிள், எடுத்துக்கலாம், பார்த்துக்கலாம். 16/6/2016 to 36/2016 கொடுத்துருக்கோம். அப்புறம் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்கோம்? Just take up the data. 16/6/2000 the data. This information is not typed in the question. Please take it. Then take the trend also. Then we'll work out. Any doubt in calculating the growth? So growth in sales how much? Trend in sales how much? 10%. 10%. Shall we? Step 1. Step 1. Loss of profit. Step 1. Loss of profit. Work out பண்ணுங்க. Okay. Period of indemnity. What is the period of indemnity? 3 months. 3 months na enna cover ஆகுதுல? 15/3/2017 ல எது வரை cover ஆகும்? 15/6/2017 வரை cover ஆகும். So work out first step for this. GP ratio போட்டுக்கலாம். What is the GP ratio? Net profit plus insured standing charges divided by sales of the last year. Sales of the last year. Sales of 2016 எடுத்துக்கலாம். Into 100. What is the net profit given? 56,000 plus insured standing charges 49. There is a typing error. 49,600. Take it as 49,600. 49,600. 49,600 divided by sales of 2016. What is the sales of 2016? 5,28,000 into 100. எவ்வளவு percentage வருது? 20%. was a past exam question. இந்த மாதிரி trend calculate பண்ணி work பண்ற மாதிரி past question. GP ratio ல trend சொல்லல. There is no trend given for which one? GP ratio. Then work out the short sales next. Take the standard turnover. Sales for this period. What is the sales for that period given? $24,000. Add a trend. Add a trend in sales எவ்வளவு இருக்கும் பண்ணிருக்கோம் 10% 2,400. So standard turnover. Actual sales during the period affected period. Actual sales during the affected period. What is the actual sales during the affected period given? 6,000. This will give us short sales. $46,800 into how much percentage? 20%. How much you get? 9,3. What is the period of indemnity?
16 years.
Oh, then you have to work out. You have to work out all this information. Sorry. You have to work out all this information. Try பண்ணுங்க. Sorry, I have taken wrong.
Sorry.
You have to find out the sales. You have to find out exact sales for that period. Standard turnover, you have to take it from 16/3/2017 to 15/6/2017. Sorry, not date pakla. For this period, you have to work out the standard turnover. Then actual turnover from what date? 16/3/2000.
அது 16.
Okay. The 17 ல இருந்து to 15/6/2017 work out. Think பண்ணி try பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Based on this information given, based on this other information given, you have to work out that. We want the turnover only for this period. So other information you have taken earlier, based on this other information and based on this data given, based on this 2016 and 17 data given, you have to work out. Sales from January to March, April to June, kuduthirukkan, July to September, October to December kuduthirukkan இல்லையா? Based on this you have to make out the sales. Exactly for this period of indemnity. Think பண்ணி try பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க. குவார்டர்லி டேட்டா கொடுத்துருக்காரு இல்லையா, அதை வச்சு மேக் அவுட் பண்ணணும். அப்படி மொத்தம் ஆட் பண்ண முடியாது, எக்ஸாக்ட் டேட்ஸ் இதை ஒர்க் பண்ணணும். We want the sales from 16th March 2016 to 15th June 2016. அதே மாதிரி 16th March 2017 to 15th June 2016, 17 work out பண்ணணும். Exact sales we want. கால்குலேட்டர்ல போட முடியாது. டேக் ப்ராப்பர் பென் அண்ட் பேப்பர், அது அப்புறமா ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணுங்க. அப்படி நோட் புக்ல ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணுங்க. We want for which period? 16/3/2016 to 15/6/2016 வேணுமா? Now, quarterly information is available to us. What is the quarterly information available? 2016 பாருங்களேன். This 1,42,000 is the sales for which period?
First Jan.
1,42,000 is the sales for which period? January to March. And the January to March period ல இங்க எவ்வளவு கவர் ஆகுது? Are we taking for full? No, only எவ்வளவு months? last 15 days ஓட sales தான் வேணும். But இங்க data available ஆனு பாருங்களேன். 16/3/2016 to 31/3/2016 ஓட sales கொடுத்திருக்கான் டைரக்டா. Okay, start. Computation of, leave some gap, computation of sales from 16th March 2016 to 15th May 2016. Okay. From 16th March 2016, from 16th March 2016, 16th March 2016 to 31st March 2016 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. given in the இப்போ நம்ம தான் கொடுத்தோம். given correct 1,04,000 given in the additional information. இப்போ additional information எல்லாம் கொடுத்திருக்கேன். எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்கேன் பாருங்க. பாருங்க கொடுத்திருக்கேனா? last 15 days sales, March ஓட last 15 days sales, how much is given? 28,000 wait பண்ணுங்க. Then from the data quarterly sales available, that is April to June 2016 ஓட date available. பாருங்களேன், April to June 2016 available. Yes, check it. April to June 2016 எவ்வளவு sales இருக்கு பாருங்க. 1 lakh. April to June 2016 what is the sales available? 1 lakh. But can I take full 1 lakh எடுத்துக்க முடியாது. I can take only up to what? 15th May 2016, up to only 15th May 2016. Now 15th May 2016 இருந்து okay, let's eliminate sales for the last 15 days. That is from what date to what date I have to eliminate? 16/6/2016 to 36 வரைக்கும் eliminate பண்ணிக்கணும். எவ்வளவு இருக்கு கொடுத்திருக்கானா? லாஸ்ட் 15 days sales கொடுத்திருக்கான் பாருங்க. 16/6/2016 to 36/2016 எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 24,000 eliminate பண்ணுங்க. eliminate பண்ணா எவ்வளவு வரும்? 76,000 வரும். Once again I repeat, sales for the first 15 days கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 16th March to 31st March is given in the question. How much is given? 28,000. From the data, quarterly sales of April to June எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 1 lakh. Can I take full 1 lakh? No, I have to take only up to what? 15th May na. Eliminate the sales of the last 15 day. 24,000 eliminate பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா இது வந்துரும். So this will give us standard turnover. This will give us which one? Standard turnover.
So that 25,000 எப்படி சார் calculate பண்ணீங்க?
புரியல.
அது 25,000.
கொடுத்திருக்கான் அவனுக்கு. That's another கொடுத்தனே. Other information சொல்லி ப்ராப்ளத்துல மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க டைப் பண்ண I've given. So 16th March to 31st March எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 28,000. Next அந்த salesல we eliminate what? We eliminate for last 15 days sales we get 1,04,000. So 1,04,000 is the standard turnover. அதுல trend எவ்வளவு percentage add பண்ணும்? 10% add பண்ணும். So add பண்ணீங்கன்னா 1,04,000 plus 10,400 will give us what? 1,14,400. Wait பண்ணுங்க. Then we have to work out actual sales. We have to work out which one? Actual sales from what date? 16th March 2017 to 15th May 2017 work out பண்ணும் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க from 16th March 2017 to 31st March 2017 given in the information given in additional information கொடுத்திருக்கோம் nilன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா பாருங்க from 16th March 2017 to 31st March 17 to 31st March 2017 what is the sales
Nil.
zero sales is zero then from the data okay from the data quarterly sales எல்லாம் கொடுத்திருக்கோம் April to June 2017 பாருங்க April to June 2017 data கொடுத்திருக்கானா yes what is April to June 2017 40,000 can you take full 40,000 no less the last 15 days sales that is from 16/6/2017 to 30th June 2017 that is given in the question additional information la kuduthirukka last 15 days sales how much 6,000 so you will take how much 34,000 this is your actual sales take up this first then we will proceed. So standard turnover is 1,04,000. Actual sales is how much? 34,000. So first 15 days, next 4 months kuduthirka, next 3 months kuduthirka. So eliminate the last 15 days. So you will get the sales for the period. Any doubt in working out this data?
So dates last on the 15 June, sir. 15 May.
In June தானே
சார் இப்போ ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டர்ன் ஓவர் அந்த ட்ரெண்ட் ரிப்ளேஸ் பண்ணுங்க
அது அப்புறமா பண்ணிக்கலாம் let us work out actual figures அந்த இதுல இருக்கும் done now trend 1,04,000 add a trend develop percentage 10% போட்டா 10,400 we get adjusted standard turnover minus actual sales what is actual sales we worked out 34,000 pota what is the short sales what is the short sales into GP ratio வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. லாஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ராஃபிட் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணியாச்சு. வாட் இஸ் ஸ்டெப் 2?
Additional claim for additional expense.
Additional claim for additional expense இருக்கா? இல்ல. Is there any savings in standing charges given?
Yes, sir.
Savings in standing charges கொடுத்திருக்கானா? Savings in standing charges. No savings in standing charges. Standing charges just that is only for calculation of GP ratio. Is there a policy amount given? Yes. Wherever there is a policy amount given, you would apply the average class. For step 1 our answer வந்தாச்சு. Loss of profit. Loss of profit is equal to the total loss. Loss of profit is equal to which one? Total loss in this case. No claim for additional expenses. What is the loss of profit? 16,080. Now, we have to check whether average class is applicable. We have to check whether average class is applicable. If policy amount is, what is the policy amount given? 80,000. If it is less than GP on which one? Annual turnover. What is the meaning of annual turnover?
Insurable.
Okay, the GP on annual turnover is insurable value. Okay, what is the meaning of annual turnover?
Preceding year.
Preceding year, 10 problem போட்டிருக்கோம். 12 months preceding the date of fire. Preceding the date of fire. What is the fire accident date?
15th March.
15th March. அப்போ you have to take it from 16th March 2016 to 16th March 2016 to 15th March 2017 எடுத்துக்கணும். ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்துல இந்த அமௌண்ட்ஸ் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ண தான் டிஃபிகல்ட். 16th March 2016 to 15th March 2017 work out the annual turnover, then we'll apply the average class if there is any. Simple work out பண்ணலாம். 16th March 2016 to 31st March 5 lakh? Correct. 16th March 2016 to 31st March 2016 கொடுத்திருக்கானா? இன்ஃபர்மேஷனே கொடுத்திருக்கான் பாருங்க. Given additional information கொடுத்தனே. 16th March 2016 to 31st March 2016 sales. What is the sales? 28,000. Sales given 28,000. அப்புறம் quarterly sales information available. April to June 2016 available. எவ்வளவு available? Given in the data, base data பாருங்க, problem dataல. எவ்வளவு? 1 lakh. Then July to September 2016. July to September 2016, check the data. 1 lakh 40? 20 year. Then September, there is October to December. October to December 2016. Also October to December 2016. Data check பண்ணுங்க. 1 lakh? 1,66,000. Then January to 31st March 2017 கொடுத்திருக்கானா? Actually at 17. There's a problem with the cable. I don't think. 31st March. Okay. 1st January 2017 to 31st March 2017. Data check பண்ணுங்க. What is the data given? First quarter sales. எவ்வளவு? 1 lakh? 30,000. இதுல we have to eliminate what? Last 15 day sales. Last 15 day sales. கொடுத்திருக்கானா? Last 15 day sales கொடுத்திருக்கானா பாருங்க. 16th March 2017 to 31st March 2017 oda sales you have to eliminate. கொடுத்திருக்கானா? How much is the sales given? Nil, 0. So 0. Eliminate பண்ணது 1,30,000. Sorry. So this will give us sales for the last 12 months. Sales for the last 12 months. What is the turnover? 5,44,000. Add trend. Trend எவ்வளவு percentage? 10% trend add பண்ணுங்க. 5,44,000 ல 10% trend. Add பண்ணா adjusted annual turnover. எவ்வளவு? 5,98,000. 400. This is a turnover for which period? 16th March 2016 to 15th March 2017. Wait, now we have to work out insurable value. What is insurable value? GP on which one? Annual turnover. 5,98,400. 5,98,400 into evallo percentage?
20%.
20%. So GP on annual turnover 5,98,400 into evallo percentage? 20%. How much you will get? 1,19,680 euro. What is the policy value?
80,000.
Policy value how much? 80,000. It is less. So we have to apply average class. Claim is equal to 80,000 divided by 1,19,680 into what is the value? Into step 1 answer da. Step 2, step 3 கிடையாது. 16?
080.
10,000? 10,748. Any doubt in working out annual turnover?
அடிஷனல் எக்ஸ்பென்சஸ் பத்தி இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கொடுக்கணும் அந்த எடுத்துக்கலாம்.
Zero எடுத்துக்கலாம். Because இங்க no data is given about additional expenses இல்லையா? We are given data only about policy value, last year oda net profit, last year oda standing charges. No information is given regarding additional expenses, no information given regarding which one? Savings and standing charges எதுவுமே கொடுக்கல. So we just proceed. So the most important working and the working out which one? Sales for the respective period. This is the sales for the 12 months preceding the rate of hire. Add a trend, you get adjusted annual turnover. Adula 20% pota insurable value. Policy value is less, so we apply which one? Average class. So this problem what we learn extra. Number 1, trend calculation. Number 2, the period base pani exacta you have to work out what? What is the standard turnover? What is the actual turnover that you have to work out? Then calculate the claim by applying which one? Average class. Question number 16, there is a data error. Please correct it. We will do it. See, make a data change in this. The 2,05,000 illa 2,05,950. 1,90,000 illa it's 1 lakh. There is 2,31,000. 1,48,000 should be taken as 1,75,000. Make these changes, then we will proceed. Others are correct. It is a similar problem only. Only thing is that, we have to work out the trend and other things and proceed. Total. The 950. 900, 950. total is 950. 18th question part. It is similar to the 10th question that we have done. Platinum Jewelers wants to take up a loss of profit policy for 2015. The extract of P&L account of the last year is given to us. Cost of material, interest income, net profit is given to us. Various expenses are given to us. கொஞ்சம் alignment error இருக்கு. Salary is how much? 2,80,000. Audit fees 40,000. Rent 64,000. அப்புறம் bank charges 18,000. Turnover will grow by 25% in the next year. They are going to take an OD, 2 lakhs of OD they are going to take. The further interest will come. Then wages of the skilled craftsmen will increase by what? 20%. It's an increase in standing charges. Salary will increase by what? 10%. So you have to provide for the increase in standing charges, that is interest on OD, then increase in all the expenses like wages of the craftsmen, all those things. So first, as usual, we have to work out which one? Sales. Start. It's a combined trading account, trading P&L account. What are the material? What are the things given to us? Cost of variable expense என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கோம்?
Cost of material,
What is the variable expenses? Cost of material 18 lakh.
1860.
Then what are the other expenses? Fixed expenses. Fixed expenses will include all 1,60,000. 1,60,000 plus 2,80,000 plus 40,000 plus 64,000 plus where in error 18,000. Add up all the expenses, you'll get fixed expense or total. What is the fixed expenses? What is the fixed expense or total?
5,62,000.
Net profit எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்கோம்?
6,72,000.
By sales. What is the sales? தெரியாது. By miscellaneous income. What is the miscellaneous income? 44,000 miscellaneous income. Sales எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்கோம்? Balance. 30,50,000 balancing. So insurance policy to be taken. What is the sales? 30 lakh less variable cost 18,60,000. This is the gross profit for the purpose of taking insurance policy. Add எவ்வளவு trend கொடுத்திருக்கோம்? 25%. This is the amount. Add increase in standing charges. Increase in standing charges. Interest on OD. Interest on OD எவ்வளவு எடுக்க போறோம்? Interest on OD எவ்வளவு எடுக்க போறோம்? 2 lakhs into எவ்வளவு percentage? அப்புறம் increase in salary. Salary எவ்வளவு increase ஆகும்னு சொல்றோம்? 20% increase இல்லையா? 20%.
Salary 10%.
Salary 10%. எவ்வளவு salary இருக்கு? 2,80,000 into 10%. அப்புறம் wages எவ்வளவு increase ஆகுதுன்னு சொல்றோம்? 30% or 20%? So 1,60,000 ல 20%. 1,60,000 ல 20%, 32,000. So this will give us policy to be taken. Over. Next, question number 17. Question number 17 பாருங்க. Every case take it as an independent one. Sales will increase by 15% கொடுத்திருக்கோம். Sales increases by 50%. Only 50% of standing charges are to be insured னு சொல்றோம். So, try பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Question number 17. Each case should be taken as a separate case and worked out. Are we done with this? The question over. 17th question. What is the loss of profit policy to be taken? Okay, first variable expense allow கொடுத்திருக்கோம் 14 lakh 20,000. Standing charges means fixed expenses. Net profit how much is given? 80,000. Non-operating income is given to us. Sales is given to us. No need to work out. Sales is already given to us. Compute the loss of profit policy to be taken for the next year. The sales will increase by எவ்வளவு percent சொல்லிருக்கோம்? 15%. We can do it in columnar format or take it as a separate case also. This is question number 17. Case 1. Case 1. What is the sales? 18 lakhs. Sales 18 lakhs. It will go up by எவ்வளவு percentage சொல்றோம்?
15%.
15%. 18 lakhs plus 15% போடுங்க. 20 lakh 70,000. When sales goes up, automatically variable cost will go up. What is the variable cost? What is the variable cost? 14 lakh 20,000. அதுவும் 15% increase ஆகும். So this is the policy to be taken. Or simply can work out sales minus variable cost போடுங்க. What is the sales given? 18 lakhs. Less variable cost எவ்வளோ? 14 lakh 20,000. Less பண்ணா add எவ்வளோ percent? 15%. Add பண்ணா you will get what? 4 lakh 37,000. Please remember this policy will cover net profit plus what? Standing charges. அந்த மெத்தட்ல போட்டாலும் இந்த ஆன்சர் தான் வரும், பட் அது கொஞ்சம் lengthy, so it's better to do by this method. This will cover, this policy to be taken will cover what? And sales minus variable cost eliminate பண்ணிருப்போம். So this 4,37,000 will cover net profit plus what? Standing charges. First caseல increase in standing charges எதுவுமே சொல்லல, அதனால we just take it for this one. Case 2 இதே மாதிரி தான். So எதுவுமே சொல்லலைன்னா 4,37,000 பாலிசி எடுத்திருப்போம். But what they have given? What they have given? 50% of the present standing charges are to be insured now, less uninsured standing charges. Uninsured standing charges. 50% insurance பண்ணா 50% தேவையில்லை. What is the standing charges value? 1,50,000 into எவ்வளவு percentage? 50% you need not insure. First case the full standing charges would be covered. Second case 50% of standing charge, uninsured standing charges, which means we are not going to insure this 50% because it is instructed to us. Next question, be careful. Next case, let it be careful. Do you understand the difference? Case 1 we cover full standing charges. Case 2 we don't cover what? 50% of standing charges. That is uninsured at the market. Shall we? Case 3, sales. இதை எடுத்துக்கலாம். Variable cost. Variable cost அதே எடுத்துப்பீங்களா? வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. Further 50%. Further 50%. 15%. ஏன் further 15%? Any idea? இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா sales increases by 15%. Variable cost increases by 15%. Why? Because volume change ஆனா automatically variable cost volume will change. இங்கேயே மறுபடியும் add 15% போடுறோம். That's like inflation in expenses. That is like inflation. Actually, sales has gone up by how much percentage? 15%. If variable cost 15% then increase ஆயிருக்கணும். Why do they give additional one more information 15%? There is an inflation by 15%. Inflation இல்லைன்னா sales volume changes by 15%. Now variable cost also will change by 15%. Since there is an inflation that is provided to us. Separate கொடுத்திருக்கோம் பாருங்க. Variable expenses increases by 15% சொல்லியிருக்கோம். Then add increase in standing charges. Increase in standing charges எவ்வளவு increase ஆகுதுன்னு சொல்றேன்? 10%. 1,50,000 10%. So policy to be taken. இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல many students went wrong and டைரக்டா sales 15% ஏதோ 15% இதோட முடிச்சிட்டாங்க. Okay, that is only for the volume change. Apart from that, there is an extra information given. Variable cost also increases by 15%, means there is an inflation by 15%. Next வந்து deflation மாதிரி, reduction in price. Normal variable cost would have been 16 lakhs at 33,000. Since there's a reduction given, we adjust it and take it. No standing charges detail given, so this is the policy to be taken. Case 5, sales will increase by எவ்வளவு percentage சொல்றோம்?
10%.
10%. And only standing charges goes up. What is the standing charges? 1,50,000 எவ்வளவு percentage? 15% என்ன வரும்? எவ்வளவு வரும்? 22. Next என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க case 6ல sales will increase by 15%. Variable cost will decline by
10%.
10%. Sorry. Yes, click it. Less uninsured standing charges. Uninsured standing charges எவ்வளவு இருக்கு?
சார் ஸ்டார்டிங் வந்து ஸ்டாண்டிங் சர்வீஸ் வந்து 15% இன்க்ரீஸ் போட்டுருக்காங்க. அப்புறம் தான் வந்து 3% அன்இன்சூர்ட் போட்டுருக்காங்க. இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணிட்டு 50% இருக்கும்போது அப்டேட்.
Okay. So first இதுல increase in standing charges எவ்வளவு இருக்கு பாருங்க. Increase in standing charges எவ்வளவு சொல்லியிருக்கோம்? Increase in standing charges எவ்வளவு percentage சொல்லியிருக்கோம்? Not full standing charges இல்லையா? 1,50,000 எவ்வளவு இன்சூர் பண்ண போறோம்? 50% into எவ்வளவு percent increase ஆகுது? 15% increase ஆகுது. Increase in insured standing charges. So 1,50,000 50% தான் insured, அதுல 15% increase ஆகுது. Plus 15% actually.
So 3%.
எவ்வளவு வரும்? 15% or 10% increase?
Increase 15%, sir.
How much you get? 86? Less uninsured. Actually, இது இப்படி போட்டுக்கலாம். 1,50,000க்கு plus 15% add பண்ணுங்களேன். Plus 15% add பண்ணுங்களேன். 1 lakh. அதுல less uninsured portion எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? பேலன்ஸ் எவ்வளவு வரும்? It's not a proper way. Sorry. First method is correct. Sorry. What is the increase in standing charges? Insured standing charges? 1,50,000 into what percentage?
15%.
15% increase ஆகுதா? This into 50%.
Add தான் sir. Monthly sir.
அதான்
150.
ஆல்ரெடி கவர் ஆயிருக்கும். அந்த அடிஷனல் ஸ்டாண்டிங் சார்ஜஸ் மட்டும் தானே ப்ரொவைட் பண்ணுவோம். 1,50,000ல 15% இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுது. அதுல எவ்வளவு பர்சன்ட் இன்சூர் பண்ண போறோம்? 50%. எவ்வளவு வரும்?
ஆமா சார், இப்போ 1,50,000 ப்ளஸ் 15% இன்டூ 50% தான் சார். 1,50,000 இல்ல எக்ஸ்ட்ரா 15% ஆகுது.
நம்ம இங்க பாலிசி ஷுட் கவர் ஒன்லி விச் ஒன்? இன்க்ரீஸ் இன் ஸ்டாண்டிங் சார்ஜஸ் தானே. இன்க்ரீஸ் இன் இன்சூர்டு ஸ்டாண்டிங் சார்ஜஸ் மட்டும் பார்த்தா போதும். ஓகே, 1,50,000 15% into 50% போட என்ன வருது? 11,000 to 15. Then less uninsured portion. We do not want to take insurance for 75,000. Is 1,50,000. We do not want to insure how much? 50%. See, increase in standing charges we will add, uninsured portion we will eliminate. Inge, not entire standing charges you have to take because 1,50,000 into 15% for the total standing charges at the okay. Only how much is insured? 50%. Other portion matter at the then uninsured standing charges you eliminate, you will get policy to be taken.
சார் இப்போ அந்த 6,300 இந்த இதையும் இல்லை ஆட் பண்ணாலே போதும் சார்.
புரியல.
அன்இன்சூர்ட் லெஸ் பண்றோம்.
Because என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்கல பாருங்க, only 50% of the present standing charges to be insured. அப்ப uninsured standing charges என்ன பண்ணணும்? Eliminate பண்ணிக்கணும். முன்னாடி பண்ண மாதிரியே தான். Okay, we'll take sales minus variable cost. The policy எடுத்துருப்போம். We do not want to insure for 75,000. அதே கான்செப்ட் தான் இங்கேயும். ஒரே ஒரு டிஃபரன்ஸ் என்னன்னா இங்க insured standing charges goes up by எவ்வளவு percentage? 15%. So far we were doing loss of profit, loss of stock separately. So next class we'll club both and learn. No new concept, no new thing we are going to add, but we will have to work out both what? Loss of stock as well as what? Loss of profit. ரெண்டுமே work பண்ற problems next class ல பார்ப்போம்.